What's the meaning of bootlace? Bootlace. Bootlace.
Bootlace. Bootlace. Bootlace is a noun that refers to a long, narrow piece of leather or cord used to fasten a boot. It typically has a knot at the end to prevent it from slipping through the eyelets or hooks on the boot. The use of bootlaces dates back centuries, and they are still commonly used today as a practical and decorative element of various types of footwear. A well-tied bootlace ensures that the boot fits securely and comfortably and can even help prevent injuries while walking or hiking. Overall, bootlaces serve an important purpose in both fashion and function.